Most students think making $10,000 is impossible without working a regular job. However, the truth is that with the right strategies, you can start building income streams that actually work for you rather than you working for them. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you practical, step-by-step ways students are making real money even while focusing on their studies. Number 1. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like study guides, templates, or even simple design packs can be created once and sold over and over again. The beauty of digital products is that you build them once and they continue generating income passively. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Canva make it easy for students to start selling without upfront costs. Number 2. Start a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand lets you design t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without holding inventory. When someone places an order, the supplier prints and ships it directly to the customer. Students with basic design skills can launch a store in just a few hours using sites like Redbubble or Teespring. A few viral designs can easily push you toward your $10,000 goal. Number 3. Monetize your skills with freelancing. If you have skills like writing, video editing, tutoring, or graphic design, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients worldwide. Even small gigs like proofreading essays or creating thumbnails can add up to thousands over time. Number 4. Start a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful income machines for students. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels utilizing stock footage, voiceovers, and basic editing are proliferating right now, with ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing reaching $10,000. Is very possible over time. Number 5. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Students can use TikTok, Instagram, or blogs to promote products or services they already use, such as apps, courses, or gadgets. With the right strategy, even a small following can generate serious income. Number 6. Invest in low-cost assets. Finally, a powerful way to reach $10,000 is by investing small amounts consistently. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or local investment platforms allow you to start with as little as $5. The earlier you start, the faster compound growth works in your favor. Even students can set aside coffee money and watch it multiply. Let's quickly recap. We covered creating digital products, starting a print-on-demand store, freelancing your skills, launching a faceless YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, and investing in low-cost assets. Any one of these can bring you closer to $10,000, but combining 2 or 3 will accelerate your results even faster. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Matrix, and share this with a friend who could use an extra income boost. Remember, financial freedom doesn't start after graduation. It starts with the choices you make right now.